Today I'm going to show you how to create 3D interior design in HomeByMe. So without further ado, let's get designing. So to begin with the 3D interior design, you want to have a floor plan already, and what you can do is click on the 3D at the bottom over here. This is your view mode, and here you can actually see what it looks like. So you can click on various items and you'll be able to find information about them. You can also go ahead and click on the editor within this view so that you can edit the individual items. So for example, there are some interior items which you can't change the dimensions of, such as the furniture. However, you can change the elements such as the floor color, wall color, and the items that are inside this room. Let's go up here to the very second icon, and you're going to go and click on Furnish. Once you're on Furnish, you can go in and have a look at a bunch of different items. So if you go into Furnish, you'll get living room, bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and every other room that you can think of in the house. Let's go into bathroom and let's look, for example, at a toilet. So if you're going through here, you're going to see a bunch of different items, and simply you're going to hover your cursor over that item and click on Add to Project. Once you've added to your project, you'll see over here that you can place it wherever you'd like to place it. Let's click down, and this will probably be better done in 2D. Now here it is. You can click down and you can move it accordingly, and then use this arrow to rotate it. So let's rotate it like that, and let's move it into the corner. You can now see that we have placed a toilet inside of this office. You can continue to do this by going down and again into Furnish and add different items in here. You can also go into Decorate. Over here you will find paint and wallpaper, tiles and stones, flooring, and then more decorative accessories such as lighting, plants, and other home decor items. You can also go in back to the builder and you can add doors, windows, and staircases and other technical equipment. If you're going back out here, you can go into the decorate from that menu and you'll find this menu here again. So the idea is to go in here. So for example, let's go into flooring and say hardwood and choose an option, let's say this one, and say apply to surface. You'll see now at the top it'll give you the option to validate. You'll click on validate, and this is now what it will look like. You can make any changes you need to make accordingly, and then once you're done, you'll obviously save your project and export it appropriately.